Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
MuMu Player change language. Now here I'll be showing you how to change your language in MuMu Player. So in MuMu Player, there's a few ways to change your language. First way to change language MuMu Player is click on three horizontal arrows top right, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, right here, go down till you see this display language, and here you'll be able to change your display like that. Then go click on restart. As you can see now, it's on. I think this Chinese. And then let's go back to our settings and then find display right here in English, then restart. Then there you go. And another way to change your language in MuMu is by opening up the your Android device right here. After opening up, just wait for it. There you go. Once you're here, click on settings. After clicking on settings right here, you'll be located right here. Then go down till you see, where is it? System. After clicking on system, click on language and input, and here you may change the language. There you go. And let's add the language. Let's say Filipino. We have Filipino here. Tagalog. Okay. So there's supposed to be a Tagalog, Filipino language. Then we can add it now right here. The language, one of our language right here, is now Filipino, Philippines. And a quick tip for you guys, not only that, not only you can change your system and all of that language, you can also change the captions. Just go here. After clicking here, oh, forgot the accessibility. Forgot the accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, just go down till you see caption preference right here. You may change it. Just click on caption preference. Then go down till you see more options. Then click on language here. Here you're able to change the language. As you can see right now, it's on default to what language are we using in our settings. It is already inputted right here. So, but yeah, it's default, so it's English. So we can change it right here. So we can have our captions changed. So there you go, guys. And sometimes well, there's a problem with changing your to call this your your MuMu player. All you need to do is just restart your PC. That's all you need to do. Just click on restart your PC. After that, there you go. So the first thing you need to do is close your MuMu player. You can close it by Control Alt Delete. Then put on Task Manager. Once your Task Manager is right here, right click on MuMu Player, then click on End Task. Then after that, open up your MuMu Player. There you go. Now you will see the changes on your MuMu Player. If that didn't work, just restart your PC. After restart your PC, that will surely work, and your MuMu Player will now change to the language you have chosen. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.